All right, so we're going to do the unit test. And as always, what I'm going to do is I'm going to present each question. I'm going to pause for a moment. I will probably read the question. I will pause for a moment. I will let you have a chance to pause the video if you wish. See if you can formulate an answer yourself. And then I will reveal the answer, or I'll get it horribly wrong. We'll see. What number is shown by the place value blocks? That looks like 721 to me. What is the place value of 5 in 956? That's the tens place. Of course, now that my computer fan is off, we can hear that the cops' sirens are going on in the background, which happens fairly frequently in my neighborhood. What's the largest number you can create using 4, 6, and 6? That would be 664. I'm glad you can't hear it because now there are dogs howling too. Kistrel says that she can't hear the sirens, which makes me very happy because, again, there are now dogs howling at the sirens. Compare using greater than, less than, or equal to. Once again, all that matters is the tens place. 84 has a higher tens value, therefore it is greater. So 35 is less than 84. Which of the following place value tables shows 162? That's A. Write a number that makes this equation true. 3 hundreds equals. Well, I call that 30 tens. Write 742 in expanded form. Well, that's A. Count by 5, starting with 945. That's 950, 955, 960, 965, and 970. Fill in the blanks by counting by tens. Well, that's 514, 524, 534, 544, 554, and 564. Be careful when looking at these problems. Very easy to get tens and hundreds mixed up. Just ask me. Which expression is equivalent to 603? Let's see. Which choices represent the number 684? Choose all answers that apply. So 684. Well, I should probably stop saying the number out loud if I'm going to try to quiz you. It's obviously 684, but it's also 600 plus 80 plus 4. This one, B, is almost correct. They just switched tens and hundreds. Match each number to its written form. Well, it's almost right already. We just need to switch the 512 and the 521. Which image shows an odd number of acorns? Sorry, I have to back up so far, but that's how I can see that's how you can see all the images. Well, C has an odd number of acorns. Fill in the blanks by counting by 100s. Okay, we'll start with 274, and then 374, and then 474, and then 574, and then 674, and then 774. And you'll notice that there are many different ways to say words as well as to write them, yeah? I say 774 because I don't feel like saying the word hundred, and you understand what I mean, and that makes it correct. Which expressions represent the same amount as that? Well, I see 2, C, and A. D comes close, but not quite. Compare using greater than, less than, or equal to. 425 is less than 452. And that is the place value unit test. I'd be interested to know how you did if you followed along. I really, really am. Because I wonder if I'm the only one that sometimes really messes up these very, very basic problems. So if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and drop a comment and tell me if you make these kind of mistakes too, or if it's just me.